Escalator. Bye-bye na natin. Favorite instrument naman. Anybody else? It's actually played like this. Yes. Very good. Everybody say guitar. Ayaw ka nun. Ayaw mo. Gusto ka naman. Anong Tagalog ng guitar? Gitara. Ha? Gitara. Ano? Sabi mo nga. Gitara. 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 Mauna yung tasa ragi, okay? Ragi. Ragi. Hindi. Kasi. Practice. Kasi. Dahan-dahan kayo. Say. Gita. Ta. Tara. Gitara. Kasi nakakatawa. Kasi ganito na lang ha. Pakita tayong talent. Talent. Ano bang talent niyo? May talent ka? Anak. Wala kang talent. Kasi ako na lang magpapakita ng talent, okay? Hindi. Sino may talent dito? Who knows how to sing? Okay, I know how to sing, but hindi ako nalong magaling. Ako muna ako kumanta. Sino mo na kumanta? Okay, I will sing. Kung kumanta ko, okay? It's entitled Tomorrow. Bukas, tomorrow yung title, okay? We start that. The sun will come out. Sabi ko, wala naman. Let's run the Lord and there'll be sun. Just thinking about clears away the cobwebs, silver snow. But I'm stuck with the day, I just think I might still the sun will come out, so you gotta hurry up. Tomorrow, I love you. You're always everybody say Happy Easter! Ano yan? Easter. Ano nga yan? What is Easter? Rabbit. What is Easter? Egg. Now Easter is actually a holiday. Anything Catholics or Christian? Yun ang pagkabuhay ni Papa Jesus.